In this video, we're going to show how List Builder can be used to update some rotating images on the home page. We'll start by clicking on List Builder. Your site may have many different lists. In this case, we're going to click on the home page Rotating Images list. I can see I have 3 images in the list. I'll click Edit to see an existing list item. You can see our list contains an image, a caption, and a link. To add a new item to the list, we'll click Add Record. I can choose an image from my computer. List Builder can automatically resize your image, and in this case, it is set up to fit my homepage banner image size. I'll also add a caption and link my banner to another page on the site. When I click Save, I now see the new image. Let's move this image between the first and second image. I can change the sort number and click Save Sort Order to make that change. List Builder is a powerful tool that makes editing lists on your site quick and easy.